I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video full of cleaning motivation. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and taking some time out of your busy day to join me here and get some cleaning motivation. I hope this video brings you guys a lot of motivation to get cleaning done around your home. I took a few days off to rest and to take care of my kids. My oldest son had an accident in school. He fractured his clavicle, and we had been all over the place taking him to the hospital and taking care of him, taking care of my other two kids, and also working some days 8 hours a day, and then coming home to cooking dinner, getting things done around the house. It's been crazy, and we are looking forward the end of the school year to get some rest, take care of my kids. The kids are going to also go on vacation on June 2nd, and I am also going to be off pretty soon here. And I do want to say, excuse the noises. I am currently in my car waiting for my daughter to get out of school, but I've been crazy busy at home and taking care of Vinny, and sometimes I have no time to do my voiceovers, so I have to find the time to finish my videos, editing videos, my cleaning videos, and also doing the voiceovers. So excuse if you hear some engines. I am picking my daughter up, like I said. So for those of you that are new, my name is Karina. I am a mom of 3, 10 and under, and I am also a working mom. I am a preschool teacher. Right now I am working 8 hours some days, and then some days I am just working 6 hours. So I am a working mom, and I am also here creating content for you guys to enjoy, to bring you guys cleaning motivation. And I hope you guys really enjoy my videos. I have been getting new subscribers, which I'm very thankful for. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and thank you so much for being here. I will let you guys enjoy some pretty music. For you, yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It took me a long time to clean the refrigerator. The day before, we had went to Costco. My sister and I went to Costco to get some things for her birthday celebration dinner, and I have gotten 2 gallons of milk, and one of them had a hole on the bottom, and I didn't notice until Beanie woke up around 5 in the morning. He usually wakes up around that time to drink some milk, and I opened the refrigerator and I noticed that all of the milk was spilled all over the refrigerator, and it was a big mess, a crazy disaster. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning off the entire refrigerator. Had to take out everything, and I mean, it needed to be clean either way because I hadn't done this in a long time. Taking out all of the drawers inside of the refrigerator and cleaning out the doors, and this just gave me a little push to deep clean the refrigerator. So this is what I'm doing right now, cleaning everything and washing everything. And I also got rid of all the old food, expired food that was in there.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same.
I am organizing the kids' snacks on these clear containers that I got at Marshall's, and I really love them because they help me keep the snacks organized and in one place. I also got rid of a lot of food that was already expired, and I was very upset about letting all the food go to waste. So I have been planning on meal planning for this summer. So like I said at the beginning of this video, we are about to go on summer break, and I couldn't be any more excited because I have so much plans that I want to do. I want so much content that I want to film, and I've been wanting to meal plan for my family, and I really want to get to a habit of doing it every Sunday and meal planning for the upcoming week. And also it's gonna help us save money and time, because every day after work I'll be calling my husband and asking him, hey, what do you want for dinner, or what do you want me to cook for you guys, or you have any ideas? And it's always a struggle. So he always ends up saying the same thing, whatever you want, and it's always a struggle for me to figure out what we want for dinner the same day. So it would be a lot of help me meal planning for the week ahead, and just buying the ingredients that I need for the week. And also the breakfast for the kids this summer. I plan on setting a little calendar, and I will be sharing all these with you guys in upcoming videos. But I want to make like a little calendar for them where they can see what we're going to be eating for breakfast that morning. And I'm just very excited. I also want to create some chore charts for them for the summer, so they can have things to do, and set up like a schedule for their iPads. I am just very excited to do all these things, because I'm pretty sure my family can talk will benefit from all of these planning. Hopefully it works. I mean, I always get excited, but sometimes it just doesn't work for your family. So if you guys have any ideas about how to meal plan, or how you guys do it, please drop your comments down below. I will be very excited to hear all of your thoughts or ideas.
Wrap your arms around me like a borderline. Our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope that it brought you guys lots of cleaning and motivation to get things done around your house. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up before you go. Like I said, thank you again for stopping by. I appreciate all of you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Do you wanna come along with